Chika Minute, what do your parents love about Belle? Yan ang diretsahang tanong kay Donnie. I'm actually curious. Ganon din ang inyong fans. Yan ang hirit ng Marites. Say niya, my parents, they love everything about her. Kasi maalaga siya. They like how much she cared for me. They saw how genuine she are and they trust you with me. Diba, alam mo yon, when I see how my family genuinely loves my partner and has a good relationship with her, I know I choose the right one. At talagang ang sarap ng feeling kapag nakikita mong mahal din ng pamilya mo yung taong mahal mo.